Hello everyone, so I am John Lloyd E. Mansueto and today we'll solve the irrigation design problem for a 1 hectare vegetable farm. So the farm need is 60 mm of water daily with a river 20 meters away and the field 3 meters higher than the source. Will compute water need. Design a rectangular canal. Find pump horsepower and talk about drum pumps. Let's start. So, ang given is area is nasa 1 hectare equal 10,000 meters. Then, ang sa water is 60 mm per day. Sa distance is 20 meters. Then, ang sa height is 3 meters. Then, sa water requirement is ang volume area times x deep is 10,000 times 0.06 is equal to 600 cubic meters per day. So sa discharge quantity is calculated as quantity, volume, and time. Volume used is 600 cubic meters, likely the total volume over a specific period. So sa time is 86,400 seconds, which equals 1 day since 24 hours times 60 minutes and hour times 60 seconds and minutes equal 86,400 seconds. So, sa quantity is equal to 600 divide 86,400 equal 0.00694 cubic meter seconds. Rounded to 5 decimal place since cubic meter is equal to 1,000 liter is multiplied by 1,000 and 0.00964 times 1,000 equals 6.94 liter seconds. So diri sa canal design is first we start with K formula that length discharge, velocity, and cross sectional area of flow discharge. Quantity cross sectional area times velocity. This is a fundamental equation in fluid flow for open channels like canals. So, from our earlier calculations, and we already found the required discharge quantity 0.00964 cubic meters seconds. For this canal, the design velocity is set at 1 meter seconds. This is a typical value chosen to balance efficient flow and prevent erosions or sediment build up. To find the cross-sectional area, we arrange the formula. So area is quantity and velocity. So plugging in the numbers is area is 0.00964 cubic meters and seconds and and 1 meter seconds equals to 0.00964 meters. So that's how we arrive at the required cross-sectional area of 0.00964 meters for the rectangular canal. So, diri sa canal dimensions is ang depth is nasa 0.1 meters. Then ang sa width is 0.07 meters. A ram pump is a hydropower device that uses flowering water's momentum to lift a portion of water higher. No electricity or fuel needed. Then how it works. So water flows through a drive pipe and builds speed. When the flow is fast enough, a valve slams shut, creating higher pressures that pushes water up a delivery pipe to higher ground. The valve then then reopens and the cycle repeats. Advantage is low cost, almost no maintenance, eco-friendly. Then sa limitations is need consistent flowering, water with a small drop in elevation only left a small amount of water and requires precise setup. Then sa applicability to our farm is not suitable. Our reverse flow is not confirmed to be strong enough, and there is no drop in elevation to create momentum. The field is higher than the source, not the other way round. Hydraulic power requirement of a pump is a Q X then H, then i-divide sa 75 times N, then equal siya og 0.4 hydraulic power. Then ang recommended niya is 0.5 hydraulic power. System is efficient and low cost, suitable for the farm.